So it's, I believe day 12. Had a rough day yesterday. I went to Lowe's to pick up some supplies. Ended up crashing my grandfather's truck, which I was told to use, and I don't really like driving big honking trucks. I drive an Xterra, so that's plenty big for me. Anyways, I crashed. Just some fender damage. Something I can fix, but it's another expense, and it took some time out of the day. And when I finally got to Lowe's, you know, that was a whole nother quest. I didn't get half the stuff I wanted because there's just no one around to help when you need them. And they were out of like half the stuff I wanted, even though their website said it was in stock. So I did what I could. I got absolutely no work done yesterday. I did pick up lights and fans for the bathrooms. So where I left off is I had the dividing wall for the bedroom. Bathrooms mostly wrapped up. I need to do the tops there. I think I had a visit from my mouse friend. Anyways, need to do those joists up there. And right now I'm framing out the closet where the washer dryer is gonna go. So I decided to do the washer dryer on this wall here. It would lose access to that window, which I'm fine with because it's a small window. I could actually, might be able to use that for ventilation or something like that and kind of repurpose that whole space there. And so that's what I'm working with now. I am doing 60-inch wide opening as far as the closet doors go. So I'll have about a 15 1/4 wall on either side. And I plan on thinking like those sliding closet doors that just slide open, slide close. And I already made the cut for that. And I'm trying to use some of this scrap wood here for my shorter cuts. So instead of cut a whole new board and get material off of that, I'm finding these boards and I'm using these for the smaller things that I need. So where we're at is 15 1/4, so I have to make that cut there. And it doesn't fit across the sawhorses. So I'm just going to give myself a little extra support there. That way I can cut off to the side here and it drops off so I'm not pinching the blade. And that's where we're at today. So I'm trying to get that finished, get all of this tied into the existing structure as far as the rafters and stuff like that go, and maybe even do a little bit of staining, because ultimately when I put the roof on, I want like wood panels going across the roof over here. And I want to leave these rafter beams exposed here. Now I debated leaving all the rafter beams exposed once the spray foam's in. It should come out to about here. And then I could put like a thin board here to attach panels to and then leave this exposed. Or I could just panel over the face of this, put a little bit more insulation in there, like rock wool is what I would use, and then leave the rafters exposed. But that's going to be a whole nother trick. But I'll deal with that when I get to that. So anyways, back to the closet and getting the whole bedroom area completed. Hopefully I can get that today. I gotta put some headers in here. None of the openings have any headers, which are essential. And especially if I'm going to be tying this into the existing structure, I want to have that support going across. So we're going to get all that done today. Get the headers, joists, and stuff like that. Maybe get some lights and ventilation. I already made a few cuts, and I'm not going to bore you with just me cutting wood over and over again. So I'll get to work on that, and then I'll try to get the highlights. Alright, so now I got the wall done for the closet doors. And it's time to try to lift this.
Let's see if I can get it before this battery dies on me. So I made a mistake here. When I was putting this wall in, I nailed in to this stud here, mostly to kind of keep it stable. But now I actually have to move this so this back side is flush with this here. Otherwise, it's off at an angle. And because I nailed it in, I have to figure out how I'm going to get that out because I can't really move the whole structure. I nailed that all in, so I got some figuring out to do here. I think I should be able to pry it out. Let's see. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see what happens here if I can get this. Ta-da! Hammer for the win. All right, so now I just have to fasten it in the correct spot, get it plumb, put in the secondary top plate, as well as start working on my headers. Headers are next. So let's get at it, right?